Over. Al Jazeera's Fadi Salahmeh reports now from Futaba in Fukushima prefecture.
The port of Okedo is just 5 kilometers from the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant. It would be easy from here to mistake the boat's masts for the water cooling towers and cranes on the reactor's roofs. It was only a year ago, 9 years after the disaster, the port was allowed to be used again, as the level of radiation had gone down to what are termed normal limits. It was something the fishermen were waiting for, but today they are not in the mood for fishing. They want to mourn all those lost in the tsunami. Kazuhiro Watanabe would like his photographs of traditional celebrations in the town of Soma, the birthplace of samurai warriors, to provide inspiration.
I don't know. Maybe no one will come to see my photos, but if somebody does, I hope they inspire them with courage to overcome the challenges ahead.
Japan has undergone a massive reconstruction project since 2011, rebuilding homes and ports, repairing ships, and building hundreds of kilometers of walls along its coastline in case of another tsunami. But when you travel along Route 6, which is just 3 kilometers from the Fukushima plant, you realize there are signs showing the amount of radiation in the air. The Fukushima plant has 6 reactors, 3 of them to be removed. That could take at least 10 years. Then there's another 30 years for the cleanup of the entire site. But there are also other challenges. The first is getting rid of radioactive water, more than 1 million tons of it, and there is no space to store more next year.
We have no possibility of building new reservoirs to conserve contaminated water, and we are awaiting the government's decision after careful consideration of the situation.
But there is also the matter of contaminated waste, 14 million cubic meters of it. The contaminated waste is temporarily stored for future disposal in warehouses like here in Futaba town, just 3 kilometers away from the nuclear plant. But until now, no one knows how or when that will happen. Fadi Salame, Al Jazeera,